Welcome to my channel, and today we are diving into one of the most outrageous creations the automotive world has ever seen, the 2025 Ferrari Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. The Italian icon of speed and luxury has rolled out a motorhome worth a jaw-dropping $2 million. And it's nothing short of a mansion on wheels. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement, blending the thrill of Ferrari's racing heritage with the comfort and elegance of a five-star residence. Let's step inside and explore how Ferrari has turned everyday travel into an extraordinary experience. Let's start with the bedroom, the sanctuary of any motorhome. Ferrari didn't just create a place to sleep. They designed an experience of relaxation that feels like stepping into a luxury suite in Monaco. The bedroom is wrapped in hand-stitched Italian leather with subtle Ferrari red accents running across the walls and headboards. The king-sized bed, floating elegantly with ambient lighting beneath, ensures ultimate comfort after a long drive. There's even an advanced climate control system, so every night feels perfectly balanced, no matter if you're camping by the mountains or parked near the beach. And it doesn't stop there. The bedroom is also integrated with smart glass panels that can go from clear to opaque at the touch of a button, giving you full privacy while still letting natural light flood in when you want it. A hidden retractable 65-inch OLED screen descends from the ceiling for late-night movie sessions, while built-in surround sound by Bose ensures that entertainment is immersive. Ferrari wanted this space to be more than just a room. They wanted it to feel like a luxury cocoon, where style, privacy, and technology blend seamlessly. Now, moving to the kitchen, Ferrari has created what might be the most beautiful motorhome kitchen ever. Instead of the traditional cramped galley you see in most RVs, this space feels like a modern Italian apartment, designed with flowing curves, brushed aluminum finishes, and carbon fiber accents. The countertops are made of lightweight but ultra-strong marble composite, ensuring durability without adding unnecessary weight. The cooking area includes a sleek induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator that syncs with your phone, and a built-in espresso machine. Because what's Ferrari luxury without authentic Italian coffee at the push of a button? The second part of the kitchen's magic lies in its practicality, blended with Ferrari's signature elegance. Storage is intelligently hidden behind soft-touch panels that open with just a tap, revealing a fully equipped pantry and wine cooler for those long journeys. Even the faucet has been designed with Ferrari's aerodynamic cues, offering both function and flair. Every detail screams precision and luxury, turning cooking on the road into an experience rather than a chore. Whether you're preparing a quick meal or entertaining guests, this kitchen delivers a perfect balance of beauty and convenience. And then, we step into the bathroom, an area where Ferrari has truly redefined expectations for motorhomes. The bathroom feels like a spa designed for royalty, with a full-sized rainfall shower wrapped in glass walls that can mist for privacy. The space is layered with Italian marble, accented by brushed gold fixtures, making it feel more like a luxury hotel than a vehicle bathroom. You'll also find heated floors, towel warmers, and even a built-in fragrance diffuser that releases subtle scents to elevate the entire atmosphere. The second layer of detail comes in the technology that powers this spa-like retreat. Ferrari has built-in smart mirrors that not only light up, but also display information like the weather, your next destination, or even wellness tips while you freshen up. The toilet itself is high-tech, featuring self-cleaning systems and customizable comfort settings. It's a bathroom that doesn't just serve a purpose. It transforms daily routines into moments of indulgence, showing just how far Ferrari has pushed the idea of luxury travel. At the heart of it all, the Ferrari Motorhome is more than just transport. It's a bold statement. It's about living in motion without ever compromising on comfort, design, or the thrill that comes with the Ferrari name. Every detail, From the bedroom to the kitchen to the bathroom has been crafted to make this rolling mansion an unforgettable experience. This is not just a motorhome. It's the ultimate blend of supercar prestige and five-star living. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the $2 million Ferrari motorhome, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a review of the most jaw-dropping machines on wheels. Until next time, keep dreaming big and traveling in style.